Hi, this is GED teacher Damon Tennant, and I am so excited to invite you to the GED Math Boot Camp. Now, the GED Math Boot Camp is something that you're not going to want to miss, and there's three key reasons. Number one is the pre-work. There is a week of pre-work that I'm going to be assigning to you on a daily basis. In your email box every day, you're going to receive instructional videos, worksheets, exercises to get you ready for the big day. Number two, June 22nd, 2019 from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That is the big day. That is the boot camp. You're not going to want to miss these 4 hours of power-packed lessons preparing you for everything that you need to know to be successful on the GED math test. And then number three, and this is something that you might not think about, but it's the camaraderie. You're going to be working with 15 students who are like-minded, just like you, who are tired of failing the GED math test and have committed to passing it this next time. So you're going to be working with 15 students from around the country. We're going to be in a group, office hours during that pre-work week. And so you're going to have a chance to see other people's questions. You're going to have a chance to learn from others as well as learning from me, your GED teacher. So I look forward to seeing you inside of the GED Math Boot Camp. One final message. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. You can get me at damon@mygedlive.com, or you can get me by text at 707-385-1680, or you can even message me on Facebook at Facebook/GED teacher. Do not hesitate. If you have any questions, anything that you need to be worked out ahead of time, make sure you reach out to me so we can get those questions addressed. Thank you.